Alright guys, this is just a quick video that we might send the customer to during the inquiry stage, just to inform them on the two styles of sunroof setups that could be currently in their car. So the one on the right here is currently the style that we don't do, and the one on the left here that we're pointing at is the style that we do. The difference between these two would be just the way they've been cut out to fit and house the sunroof mechanism. So the one on the right here has been excessively cut away, and this is the one that we're going to use for the demonstration purposes today. So the one on the left here, guys, is the one that you would usually see from factory, and this has been done properly. This is designed to have a sunroof setup. So it's just got a small rectangle cut out where the sunroof shade would go, and that's it, and it's a solid piece of board. However, the one on the right here, this has been excessively cut away, and basically what it is just to fit the sunroof mechanism completely bolted inside the car, and you won't know that it's been done this way because the material will just be covering that massive cut. However, in today's video we'll just show you how you can identify if you have got this style. So here you can see that it's you can kind of feel around, and you can feel that edge of the board, usually around the borders, around the outsides, and that's where you can feel where the cut has been. That's one way to determine if you've got that style. You can see here that the one on the left here has got a solid piece of the board in the back section, and on the one on the right here, it hasn't got that solid piece there anymore. So what you would normally feel would be the metal components of the sunroof mechanism. You could feel them kind of like coming through the material. So here you go, guys. You can see this headliner board installed in the car. It's usually referred to as a floating headliner. So it's a style that we don't do. And see that sunroof mechanism there? It's all exposed. It hasn't got that solid piece of board that's kind of like hovering over the top of that sunroof mechanism. And we're kind of like feeling around here now, and you can feel that it's not a solid piece of board. You can feel those different shapes, and you can feel the metal behind there. So we'll peel it back, and you can see here it's been excessively cut away, and there's the sunroof mechanism. It's all exposed, the board's all gone flimsy, and there's a bit of foam there that goes over the top layer of that sunroof mechanism just to give it a bit of a soft feel. And yeah, so that's it, guys. And these examples that we're able to show you, we found these cars in the wreckers, and they've already been destroyed, but it just made for a perfect demonstration to show you what's going on. You can see here that it's not a perfect rectangle cutaway. It's an excessive cut there, and they're kind of just filling in the gaps with extra material, and yeah, just making it all look nice and neat. But yeah, just remember, guys, this is what it looks like. You can see the board, it's all damaged. It's very flimsy. Not something we like to work on, but we do know, guys, that we'll work on these. So when you go to inquire through us, we'll send you some referrals to some blokes we know that will work on these type of cars. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Click subscribe to follow some more. And yeah, we'll see you here on the next video. See ya.